Molo Chomi, come and join me for my free isiXhosa communication Kickstart session happening on Wednesday, the 12th of November at 7 p.m. It's going to be a relaxed, interactive session where I show you how to use simple isiXhosa conversation techniques to turn your greetings into real connections and enjoy the smiles that it brings to people's faces. And that is even if you've never learned isiXhosa before, you can't say the clicks, or you don't even know where to start. This is not your typical language class. It is fun, it is practical, it is all about meaningful communication and not memorizing random isiXhosa phrases that make no sense in different contexts. So if you've ever wished that you could greet someone in isiXhosa and actually keep the conversation going, then this is your chance to see just how possible and fun it can be. It's all happening on Wednesday, the 12th of November at 7 p.m. South African time on Google Meet. Comment Kickstart and I'll send you or direct you to the link to sign up for my free isiXhosa communication Kickstart session. It's the perfect way to finally get confidently started on your isiXhosa journey for real connection. And I have added a brand new VIP option. If you upgrade to VIP, then you get instant access to my simple sentences mini course, an extra small group conversational practice session with me on Thursday evening, and all of this so that you can get more support, more opportunities to actually speak isiXhosa, and more confidence. VIP is just 300 Rand and totally optional, but spots are limited. You will see the option to upgrade when you sign up for the free session. So comment Kickstart and I will send you or direct you to the link to sign up for our free session. I can't wait to see you there. So banana, show me.